Hello everybody, this is pillartrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going to be going over the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This is the spot, and right now we are looking at a monthly chart. We've had a very important level trade on the midterm trend. We've been waiting on this level now for quite some time. It's a fantastic profit-taking area, which we're going to get into in a second. Before we start, just a reminder, stop by the website www.pillartrading.com for all your trading information on both the futures markets and the Forex markets. Now, looking at this monthly chart, we can see we never got that large pullback after that breakout. We never got that. But on the midterm plays, we've been anticipating a level trading, and that target has just been filled. We go down to the daily chart. This has been the trade of the year on the Australian dollar up to this point. We had a bounce at 87, called it off of these swing lows to swing highs. 87 was the area, 87.76, 87.65, I'm sorry. All the way up to 94.56 was the high print that set in. There was our target. Go back, look at the videos we've done in the past on the Australian dollar. This has been a level that has been set in place a long time coming now. Those trades should be over now. If you did get in on those trades should be over. We now need to think about where this market is headed in the near term. We can delete this. We had a lot of profit taking. We saw it. As soon as we got to that level, we immediately sold off. What does that tell you? That tells you there's a lot of long-term, midterm bulls getting out of this market, going back to the sidelines, going to wait and see what happens in the near term. Now, on the 15-minute chart, let's take a look at what this means for our trades today. What has happened is we've pulled back into the next 15-minute trend. Okay, the short-term time frame is still pointing to the upside. This is that next move inside that 15-minute trend at 93.32. That's that level. Okay, we got to bounce off of it initially, and we have yet to see a test of the retracement area. We're bouncing around there right now. If we zoom in here, you can see we are bouncing around the next test, headed on the way back up to that target area. There are no shorts above us. I repeat, there are no short spots above us, so we don't have to worry about people slamming this market to the downside. The only thing we can worry about is people taking profits that have been in this market long term. Now, should this level break down, which now that this target has been hit, there's no reason to think that this level should hold up, except for the fact that it's in line with the short-term trend. We no longer have that backing of those larger traders, those institutional traders, pushing this thing higher in the long term. Now, if that breaks down, we get a breakdown here at 93 even. That is the breakdown area of the short-term trend. What we can anticipate, we go back to the daily chart, is we can anticipate a trend to the downside forming. And we will anticipate further weakness until we hit 91.15. So those are the important levels that you have to remember. If that trade to the upside breaks down on the short-term trend, look for that full retracement all the way back down to 91.15s. That's where the true test of whether or not this midterm trend, and again, this is another huge trade. This is another from 91.15s. This has got a target up at 96.19s. As unlikely as that is, we have to trade the charts, and this is what it's showing us. This is what the trend is showing us, so there's no reason to go against it now. If we zoom out back to a weekly chart, we can see what we are approaching here. It's going to be that huge test up here at 98.50s, double top highs, if we can continue to push higher on the midterm trend. Again, that long-term trend just is not in place. We never got that pullback. Right now, it's all midterm, which is over. Short-term, still going strong. Look for that pullback if you get a breakdown. Guys, that's it. Fantastic trade for us. If you've got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, or stop by the website, give us a comment, give us an email. We try to get to those as soon as we can. Hopefully everyone has a good trading day, and I will see you all in the next video.